This is the Pegasus. This is the coolest boat in town because if you ever watch a movie, all the rich people are always in these boats and some capers are happening. Either murder mysteries or some dodgy's happening in these boats. So that's why I want one of these. Challenger 36, full cabin. How much is it? Oh, it's 100k.
Should we go inside? You just have to take off your shoes.
Inside?
Yeah, just take off your
Where did it
shoes.
say that?
On the floor.
Oh wow. All right.
I love this one. It's a sailboat.
So no one's in there.
I don't believe
I feel like there's
so.
gonna be a fisherman inside. There's a cabin. Let's go check it out. Hello. Actually getting in there. It's alright.
Oh wow.
It's like the movie, bro.
That's so cool.
Alright, there you go, man.
Oh, I love it. It's so nice. Too cool. I feel like I'm literally stepping into the past. It smells beautiful. We've done the garnishing of this place. And yeah, this is everything that you would want in a boat. Like there's an area to cook, there's an area to prepare your food.
Yeah, stop.
Sorry.
What is that creaking sound? And the floorboards.
This is definitely one of those places for the movies. Go on, what else have you got? You got a seating area.
It's cool, it's nice and comfy.
It's quiet here. Okay, it might just be that you're just decked up.
That's gotta be scary when you're right. It's got a deck. There's a nice little bed.
Oh,
It's a bit small, but you can fit in there and you've got a little viewing platform.
wow. Is there a toilet there as well? There must be a toilet.
Really?
There's even a loo. So this place is beautiful. You have to be quite slim to be fitting into the bed. I like this. It's got a map of the actual, you know, in the films they have those like, when you're really scared, you're like, oh, what do I do? That's the instructions for what happens. You might need that. They have got like a radio intercom as well, which looks like a bit archaic, but still, nevertheless, hopefully it works. I like this place.
That's what I want to use, the
Yes,
steering
go
wheel.
for it. Oh, I love this place.
It's cool.
It's so cute.
Yes, this is the boat.
You wanted a sailboat, didn't you?
Yeah. Look how big it's there you go. Oh, some capers.
Hold on to it. Yeah.
It's fun, it's got a front as
That
well.
is so cool. Oh, I love it. Go around, let's have a look.
It's nice, isn't it?
This is beautiful.
You can go around the front. I've got a sail, that's going to be fun to use. Wind power, there you go. Eco, solar, you use it,
Wow.
you got wind.
Just don't walk with the plank.
Yo, we got to do the Titanic, come on.
Oh, that's stunning. The sunset. Woo! I'm the king of the world! I'm the king of the world!
You got to be slim to use this boat, isn't it?
You can't gain any weight because, you know, your sails are in the way. This is certainly an exercise regime that I could maybe get used to.